Good afternoon, students. Today, let's move on to our next lesson in English grammar, Lesson 13, Homophones. First, let's understand what are homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Children, remember, homophones means the words which have same sound and have different spellings and different meanings. Example, S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. Now let's look at some of the examples of homophones. Sail, S-A-I-L, sail. The boat sails in the sea. The other one is S-A-L-E, sale, means discount. Sometimes there are things sold on sale by the shop to attract the customers. So children, what are the two words that sound the same but have different meanings and different spellings? S-A-I-L, sale, S-A-L-E, sale. Who is this? A knight, K-N-I-G-H-T, a soldier in armor. And the other one is night, N-I-G-H-T, that comes after the day when we can see the moon and the stars in the sky. K-N-I-G-H-T, night, N-I-G-H-T, night. N-U-N, nun, a religious person who spends her time in service of God and people in Christianity. And the other one is none, N-O-N-E, none, means nothing. Story, a tall building with many floors, S-T-O-R-E-Y, story. And the other one is story, S-T-O-R-Y. We all like to listen or read story. Some more examples. Check, C-H-E-C-K, check. We check whether all things are correct or proper. And the other check is C-H-E-Q-U-E, check, used in bank to deposit or withdraw money. The next one, current, C-U-R-R-E-N-T, current, a flow of electricity. And the other current is C-U-R-R-A-N-T, currant, a small, sweet and juicy fruit found in red or black color like raisins. Next one, peace, P-E-A-C-E, peace. We all pray for peace in our country no fights among the people. And the other piece, P-I-E-C-E, like a piece of cake. So the two P's are P-E-A-C-E piece and P-I-E-C-E piece. Daze, D-A-Z-E, daze. Unable to think properly or totally surprised or shocked. Another days is D-A-Y-S, days. We have days of the week. Let's move on further. Which animal is this? Hare. H-A-R-E, hare. An animal little larger than the rabbit. And the other hare is H-A-I-R, hair. We all like to have beautiful hair. Now this is pole, P-O-L-E, pole, on which a flag is furled, a light pole, an electric pole. It is mostly cylindrical in shape and tall, erected on the land. And the other pole is P-O-L-L, poll, a process in election where people go to cast a vote. Now let's see how we can use homophones in sentences. Children below 10 years are not allowed to sit on this ride. Here the word allowed is A-double-L-O-W-E-D, allowed. Means not permitted. Read the poem aloud. A-L-O-U-D. Here this word means loudly. This is my new house. N-E-W, new. Something when we buy, then we say it as a new thing. And the other new is, I knew that it was her book. K-N-E-W, knew. The past participle of know. The next one, can you add some ice cubes in my juice? Ice, I-C-E, ice. Our eyes helps us to see the things in our surroundings. The other word with same sound is eyes, E-Y-E-S. That helps us to see the things. So children, these were some examples of homophone words sounding the same but meanings and spellings are different. Now let's begin with our written work. Write today's date, name of the lesson, lesson 13, homophones. Homophones are words that sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings. Example, S-O-N, sun, S-U-N, sun, S-E-A-C, S-E-E-C. Children, write this neatly in your English grammar notebook. Now let's write the first exercise. Question 1. Write the homophones of the words given below. Now children, in this box there are some words given which you have to write in the correct place. The question 1. BLEW, blue. BILLED, build. Third one, SALE, sail. Fourth one, NONE, none. Fifth one, check, CHECK, check. Sixth, hair, HAIR, hair. 7. Hole, WHOLE, hole. 8. Buy, BUY, buy. 9. Year, YEAR, year. And the last one, know, KNOW, know. So children, select the answers from the given box and write it in the correct place. Question 2. Write the correct homophones in the blanks. Mother, can you give me dash chapatis in my tiffin today? Bracket TO2 TWO2. Second one, my friend dash a pizza today. Bracket EIGHT8 ATE8. Third one, there are 7 days in a dash. Bracket WEEK week WEAK week. Fourth one, children, dash these hard words 5 times in your CW book. Bracket RIGHT, right? WRITE, right? Fifth one, a dove is a symbol of dash. Bracket PEACE, peace, PIECE, peace. Here is the answer key of question 1 and question 2. Thank you. Take care.